Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'll be talking about a bird that can only be distinguished by its white puffs. The crested goshawk. The crested goshawk is a bird of prey. Powerfully built hawk of forests, especially hilly woods. Namesake crest is usually held low and not very visible. The crested goshawk breeds in southern Asia from India and Sri Lanka to southern China, Indonesia, Taiwan and Philippines. Adult has a grey head, brown wings, whitish underparts with thick orange-brown stripes in belly and streaks in breast, and white throat with black borders. Appears stroky and relatively short-tailed in flight than other accipiters. Flying adults may also show a fluffy white clump of feathers on both sides of the tail. Their calls are like locally named Silu Ukussa. I have not seen the crested goshawk. When you are planning your tour to Sri Lanka, there is a common route that tourists take. First stop is at the Cultural Triangle, then to Kandy, then to tea capital Nuwara, then to Alor. After that, to a national park, and finally ending up at the beach.